So I got these Gardner bender cable ties, 10-pack of them, heavy duty, 18 inches long. Nice end on them. They're holding up pretty good. Just wrap it around the fence here. Cut the end off. Holding up good. Pretty simple concept on the cable tie. You just wrap it around whatever it is you're going to tie it to. Under and over whatever you're attaching it to. Go through the big hole. Hard to do this one-handed. Put this down. Go through the big hole right there. Pull it tight. So you're happy with the tightness on it, and you cut it off. Cut off the end with a pair of snips. And that's it. So I've got my